Hey, hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel named Learning to Learn. So, this is the channel you're watching right now. You can subscribe to this channel to get more updates. Apart from that, you can follow me on LinkedIn. This is my profile. You can follow me with the name Aditi Arya, as well as I'm on Twitter. This is my Unacademy profile. You can follow me on Unacademy with the name Aditi Vinod Arya, and I teach for NTA UGC NET category. There are a lot of special classes going on, so you can avail the benefit by downloading Unacademy app. Apart from that, you can also follow the Facebook page called Learning to Learn to get the latest updates, as well as the Instagram, so that you're updated. Apart from this, if you're not on Unacademy, this is what you're missing. We had a complete course on human resource management starting from today, that is on 20 June. We had our first class at 5 p.m. So you missed it, and this would be for 10 days from 20 June to 30 June. Apart from this, these are the regular classes which I'm taking every day. All these classes will be till the end of June. So it's at 9:05, 9:40 and 10:15. Make sure you do join these particular special classes free of cost and avail the benefit. As well as if you want to join the plus classes, you can do one thing. You can use Aditi Live referral code. I'll just show it to you. This is the referral code to get 10% off on Unacademy subscription. So let's start with today's topic. Hey, today we'll be learning how to make a planner super fast. It will take less than 5 minutes to do so. So, how to do that? Especially, I'm a big fan of big planners. So, it helps me to keep myself organized a lot. So, you just need to first take a normal book. This is like from a local bookshop. I bought this. And this is the pin page. We call it popularly as pin page. I don't know what you guys call it. So, just take one pin page and just close this. Make sure it's plain. That would work better. Okay, after taking this plain one, what do you need? You need one pencil and scale. That's it. So exactly the things we'll need is a scale, paper, that is a pen paper, and a pencil. Now it's super easy, super quick. I'm just teaching you right now. So this is the paper. ओके, ये दाग है बट ओके, दाग अच्छे हैं. ये पेपर है. हम पहले इसको हाफ में फोल्ड करेंगे यहाँ से. लाइक अगर आपने अकाउंट्स की हो तो बैलेंस शीट बनाते टाइम आप करते होंगे वैसे. जस्ट आफ्टर डूइंग दैट, क्लोज इट लाइक दिस. ये आपने क्लोज कर लिया. नाउ अब इसको ओपन करके यू नीड टू डू इन द हाफ हॉरिजॉन्टली लाइक दिस. ये कर लिया. इसको और डबल कर लेंगे हम लोग लाइक दिस. एंड इफ यू नीड मोर months, you can add more and more. Your choice. Once you have done all the foldings, it will look something like this. They'll have boxes, and you just have to put the line on these boxes. तो जो भी boxes हैं मैं उस पर लाइन खींच दे रही हूँ फटाफट पेंसिल से. So this is one. This is 2. This is our third one. And now horizontally 1, 2 and 3. So yes, this was it. अब इसमें एक और चीज़ हमें करनी है because number of boxes कम है. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so बहुत कम है. What we need to do is we can just fold it like this. So this is done. That's it. Now if you open it, you'll have enough number of boxes to make the entire month. So exactly अब हम इसमें लाइन खींच देंगे बाकी बॉक्सेस में. एंड ऑप्शनल है अगर आप पेन से मार्किंग करना चाहते हो ऑफ द डेट्स इफ यू वांट. So that is your choice if you want to, or else you can do it as you like. Okay, थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा हो गया, but yes. So here I'm just writing the dates. I'm using a red pen, I guess. If I have a red pen, I do have a red pen. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 and 31, and still one box left. So this actually solves entire problems, or you can write even the days like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday according to that, and this will be super helpful for you. This is like one of the cheapest methods, only by using a pencil, a paper, a scale and a pen, of course. You are making this. So this is super easy. Make sure you share this to your friends.